Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. Remember this die set, and I haven't even put mine in its envelope yet, but look at how fun this is. It was the 3D pop-up number 2, and there's 2 different options in here. So there was the pop-up of 5 bars, and there's a pop-up of 1 big rectangle. Well, now we are releasing or re-releasing, you might already have it. I released this originally with the other company, and now I'm bringing it under my brand, the Stamps of Life, and it is a 3-panel drop-in. So this is the 5, and this is the 1 that comes in this kit, but you're gonna use that 3-panel to fit right in here, and now you're gonna be able to pop up 3. Why do you need 3? Well, let me share with you. Look how cute this one is. This is like Stephanie with lemon. And there's a 3-pack right there, boom. Awesome, so easy to use. Here's another one, open that up, and there's a 3 little monsters. Sometimes you just need 3s, right? Here's another one, celebrate, and there's, oh, look at that, with a fun cake. So fun. Pop-ups are just so fun because they just add so much more everything to your card, right? I mean, they just add some fun stuff. So here's another one, open that up. 3 birdies. And here's a cute one with our little bear. So much fun. So now you have an add-on piece for that 3D pop-up that you can do even more with, which is really exciting. That's one item I have to share with you. Another item I have to share with you is our Sending Smiles paper pad while it lasts. Once it's gone for good. The most important thing for you to notice, Kit Club members or Die Hard members, you are definitely going to want this paper pad because look at that. Dun, 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 dun. Those of you that got our Lighthouse stamp set, and I have it right here, those of you that got that one, if you have the dies that match, I'm grabbing mine, look at this. Cut it and go. You are ready to go. If you just die cut that, you're ready to go. So fast and easy. I've even shaded it for you. So definitely get a paper pad or 2 or 3 or 4 of this one because this one, and it has 2 of those. It has 2 of every sheet in here. And our paper pads are really fantastic. Those of you that have never tried one before, listen to this. That's 1 sheet. I call it paper, it's cardstock. Double-sided, printed in the United States, high quality. Now, also included this time is the word Sending Smiles. And look at this, I die cut one and I have my adhesive sheets on the back because look at how intricate it is. It comes with a shadow as well, so we're gonna lay this down and I'm going to, now don't forget I already have the adhesive on the back because you can't put adhesive on there once you die cut it. It is just way too intricate. But look at how gorgeous that is, Sending Smiles. Isn't that fantastic? So go get those ASAP. Again, paper pads are, once they're gone forever, but we do not reprint our paper pads. So once they're gone, they're one and dones and gone. Okay, so go collect those as fast as you can. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.